Today, we're going to create a before and after vibe transition perfect for comparison videos. Let's dive in. Start by importing two video clips and placing them side by side on the timeline. The left clip will be the before shot and the right clip will be the after shot. Next, go to the effects panel, search for edge vibe and drag it onto the transition point between the two clips. By default, the transition moves diagonally, but we want a horizontal vibe effect. To do this, select the transition, go to the inspector panel and set the angle to 90 degrees. This will create a smooth left to right reveal. To enhance the look, enable border to add a separation line between the clips. You can also adjust the feather slider to soften the edges and change the border color to match your video style. For the smoothest effect, apply ease in out in the transition settings. This will make the movement more natural instead of an abrupt cut. Once you're satisfied, play back the timeline to see the before and after vibe transition in action. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.